Welcome, Cosmic Seekers. As we embark on this deep astrological journey, we're diving into one of the most significant planetary transits of 2025, Venus in Pisces, its exalted home. This is no ordinary movement. It's a celestial blessing that will influence love, wealth, creativity, and spiritual connections for every zodiac sign. Before we jump into the detailed predictions, let's first understand the essence of Venus, its role in astrology, and what happens when it reaches its exalted or debilitated state. Venus is the planet of love, beauty, luxury, wealth, art, pleasure, and harmony. It governs our relationships, values, desires, and creative expression. In a birth chart, Venus shows how we love, what brings us happiness, and what we seek in pleasure and companionship. Venus also rules Taurus and Libra, two signs that represent earthly stability and balanced relationships, making it a planet of both sensual indulgence and refined elegance. In love and relationships, Venus governs romance, attraction, passion, and commitment. In wealth and luxury, it represents material success, financial stability, and comforts. In creativity and art, it controls artistic talents, music, beauty, and aesthetic sense. In social and personal life, it shapes how we interact, our charm, and our sense of diplomacy. Now that we've understood what Venus represents, let's see how its position in a sign can either amplify or diminish its power. Just like a person thrives in the right environment and struggles in the wrong one, planets have their own strengths and weaknesses depending on the sign they're placed in. Venus finds its highest strength in Pisces, where it is exalted. This means Venus expresses its purest, most divine, and limitless form in this sign. Pisces, ruled by Jupiter and Neptune, is a mystical, imaginative, and deeply spiritual sign. When Venus is in Pisces, its energies manifest in the most romantic, selfless, and artistic way possible. Venus in exaltation gives unconditional love, heightened creativity, spiritual and emotional fulfillment, financial abundance, deep empathy and kindness, and magnetic attraction. People with Venus in Pisces are natural romantics, artistic souls, and deeply intuitive lovers. They see love as divine and boundless, making them selfless givers in relationships. But too much of a good thing can sometimes lead to illusion and escapism. Exalted Venus can also make people overly idealistic in love, prone to romantic fantasies, and sometimes too forgiving, even in toxic relationships. On the opposite end, Venus struggles the most in Virgo, where it is debilitated. Virgo is a practical, analytical, and perfectionist sign ruled by Mercury, which clashes with Venus's need for beauty and pleasure. Venus in debilitation faces lack of romantic imagination, struggles in wealth and luxury, harsh self-criticism, difficulty in expressing affection, and love becomes practical, not passionate. People with Venus in Virgo tend to overanalyze relationships, look for flaws rather than emotions, and struggle with letting go and enjoying romance. They may be great partners in terms of loyalty and service, but their perfectionism can sometimes drain the beauty of love. Venus is one of the most powerful planets when it comes to shaping our happiness, relationships, and luxuries. Whether exalted or debilitated, its influence plays a massive role in our personal and financial lives. Now that we understand what Venus represents and how it behaves in different signs, we're ready to explore its 2025 transit in Pisces and how it will affect each zodiac sign individually. Aquarius. Venus will play a vital role in 2025 as it influences many aspects of your life. With Venus transiting your second house, the house of finances and values, and later moving retrograde in March. This year will bring transformations in your financial outlook, communication styles, and relationship dynamics. From January 28th to March 2nd, Venus will be exalted in your second house, influencing finances, material wealth, and personal values. Venus's presence here suggests a period of financial gains or a shift in your approach to money and material possessions. This could be a time when you receive an unexpected bonus or an opportunity to improve your income through creative means, artistic endeavors, or collaborations. Relationships with family and loved ones may also become more harmonious, with an emphasis on sharing resources and supporting each other's goals. However, Rahu is also positioned in your second house, which can bring some uncertainty and the temptation to overspend or act impulsively when it comes to finances. When Venus can bring wealth, Rahu's influence could blur your judgment. Keep your financial plans grounded. Use the exalted Venus energy to bring in some money, but do not make hasty decisions. Avoid major investments or purchases during Venus retrograde from March to April, as this period could lead to misunderstandings or mistakes in judgment. From March 2nd to April 13th, Venus goes retrograde in your second house, signaling a time of reevaluation and potential challenges in your financial or material life. During this period, old financial matters may resurface and you may be required to make adjustments or deal with past debts, loans, or unresolved money issues. This phase also calls for reviewing your values. You might feel uncertain about your relationship with material wealth or wonder whether your possession align with your deeper needs. For Aquarius entrepreneurs, Venus retrograde suggests revisiting past projects, refining business strategies, or even re-evaluating partnerships. This isn't the time to start new ventures or make major purchases, but it is a good period to analyze, rework, and reflect. In relationships, Venus in your second house could foster a deeper sense of connection and intimacy, particularly when it comes to shared resources or emotional security. You may find that your romantic connections become more stable with a focus on long term goals, security, and mutual support. However, Rahu's presence in your second house can bring a level of uncertainty, making it essential to ensure that your intentions align with those of your partner. During Venus retrograde, be cautious about making permanent decisions about relationships. Old romantic issues may resurface and misunderstandings could arise. Use this time to clear the air or revisit unresolved emotional matters. Reconnecting with old friends or former lovers may also be a theme during Venus retrograde. After April 13th, when Venus turns direct, things will become clearer and relationships may improve. It will be a better time to move forward with greater emotional clarity. Venus in your second house also affects your self expression, especially in artistic or creative projects. If you're an artist, musician, or involved in any creative industry, this could be a period of fruitful work as you find new ways to express your talents. Your approach to beauty, art, and creativity could evolve in a more practical way, focused on creating something of lasting value. However, keep in mind that Venus retrograde might cause a temporary block in creativity or feelings of dissatisfaction with your creative work. While Venus's main influence is in your second house, other aspects like Jupiter in your fourth house will also impact your career and public life. This suggests opportunities for growth in your career, especially in areas related to communication, family business, or real estate. Your creativity and ability to connect with people in your professional sphere may lead to recognition. However, Venus's retrograde motion suggests a time to reflect on career goals and re-establish your professional direction. You may feel a strong desire for work-life balance during this time, and that includes rethinking your role in the workplace or your approach to career ambitions. You might consider taking on new leadership roles or expanding your career, but do not rush into major decisions during the retrograde period. With Venus in your second house of money, there could be gains from speculative markets, especially investments in arts, beauty, or luxury sectors. However, the Venus retrograde period will not be ideal for making big investment moves. Use this time to reflect on previous investments, but hold off on making new financial commitments until after Venus turns direct on April 13th. Here are some remedies for you. For Venus, to strengthen Venus's blessings, you can wear light pink or white to affect more financial stability and peace of mind. Also, consider donating clothing or cosmetic products to enhance Venus's influence. Rahu's presence can lead to financial instability if you're not careful. Wear blue or black to help reduce the malefic effects of Rahu. To balance Saturn's strong influence, wear dark blue or black. These colors will help ground you and provide a sense of stability during changes. To reduce Mars's fiery effects, wear red or orange and donate red lentils to enhance your health and creativity. Jupiter's favorable placement suggests growth in emotional security. Wear yellow to enhance Jupiter's positive influence and donate books or items related to education. Aquarius, 2025 will be a year of reflection, especially when it comes to your financial situation, relationships, and career. With Venus exalted in your second house until March 2nd, you'll have the chance to attract financial abundance, but be cautious during Venus retrograde. This is a time to reflect on your values, reassess financial plans, and clear up any relationship uncertainties. Once Venus turns direct after April 13th, you'll have the opportunity to move forward with clearer goals and more stable foundations. Use the time before retrograde for grounding and after the retrograde for clear action. Take things one step at a time, and 2025 will unfold with new opportunities. The stars don't control your destiny, they guide it. Your actions define your path. That's all for today's deep dive into Venus Transit 2025 in Pisces. We've uncovered the mysteries of Venus's exalted and debilitated states and how they shape our love, wealth, and destiny. But this is just the beginning. Stay with us as we decode the impact of this powerful transit on each zodiac sign one by one. At Sitara Ko Safar, our mission is to guide you through the cosmic energies shaping your life. If you're facing any personal challenges related to love, career, health, or finances, you can book a personal consultation with astrologer N. Baksh. For appointments, contact via the WhatsApp number on your screen. Don't forget to like this video if you found it insightful, share with friends and family who love astrology, and subscribe to Sitara Ko Safar and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on your astrological journey. The stars have much more to reveal, so stay connected. We will meet in the next video.